Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a tour of Spanish Town Road. Now this is one of the busiest roads in the city of Kingston and in also Kingston. This road takes you from Mandela Highway, which is the main road into and out of the city of Kingston. Takes you from Mandela Highway to downtown Kingston, and also it goes via Hagley Park Road, which takes you to Halfway Tree. And the intersection of Spanish Town Road and Hagley Park Road is actually the busiest intersection in Jamaica. So I will give you an idea of just how busy this road is. And the only double overpass in Jamaica is built on this road. Now guys, we've just told you how busy this road is. Look at the road. It has no white lines. I'll never understand why it is so hard to put on white lines. Now this road is 3 lanes. 3 lanes. So do you know how hard it is for motorists to navigate this road because there are no lines? Also, the government plans to spend $40 billion to renovate 2,000 main roads in Jamaica. So I'm hoping, they haven't put out the list yet. They have identified some roads, but they haven't published the list yet. But I'm hoping, I'm not that this road is on the list. I'm more than hoping, I'm almost sure. There's no way you can spend $40 billion to fix roads in Jamaica and don't fix this road. So let's wait and see what happens. But this road definitely needs to be rehabilitated. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. We're driving on Spanish Town Road heading towards downtown Kingston. Alright guys, have a good day.